I'm Abby Allen, food writer, cook and campaigner for sustainable food and farming. Today I'm going to show you how to make my recipe for Dorset Clams with Coppa and Somerset Cider Brandy, and we're going to cook it all on this amazing piece of kit, the Somerset Grill. To start this recipe you'll need to get your grill nice and hot. So load some wood into the back of the grill, and once that's burnt down, using the rake, give it a really good bash and allow all of those embers to fall into the base of the grill. Spread these out and then add your cooking bars. Get the pot nice and hot, so place it directly onto the grill and allow that to heat up. Meanwhile, I'm going to prep the clams. Soak the clams in some water and then drain through a colander. In order to check that the clams are good and healthy, you need to take each one and make sure it's open. Any that are sealed, just give them a little tap, and if they don't open, discard them. If they open up, they're absolutely fine. Take a white onion, peel and roughly slice. Check the pan's nice and hot, and then drizzle in a generous glug of some really good quality olive oil. Once it's sizzling, add the sliced onions. Give everything a really good stir. Roughly slice the coppa into thin strips and add to the pan. Stir it all to coat in the olive oil. Peel and roughly slice some garlic. Roughly chop it so it's fine but not too fine. Add to the pan and stir. In goes the thyme, a few sprigs initially. Stir and release that wonderful aromatic scent. Then tip in the prepped clams. Pour in a really generous glug of my favourite Somerset Cider Brandy and quickly put the lid on. Make sure there's plenty of heat in the grill to cook the clams. So top up with any wood and give everything a good bash, making sure the embers have fallen through.
Here, my love.
Once the clams are cooked, give the pan a good shake and then bring to the table. I like to finish this dish with a little more fresh thyme. And then simply ladle generously into bowls while steaming hot. Making sure to drizzle in plenty of that delicious rich sauce. Serve with some really good quality sourdough bread. And to add a little spring flourish, I like to add some thyme flowers. It's as simple as that.